Alright, hello everybody. Here is my 1996 Toyota Previa. I'm looking at an alternator. I'm trying to remove my alternator and I have no idea where the, how do you get the serpentine belt loosened. So here's a 1996 Toyota Previa. You can see here the front of the hood. I'm going down to the alternator area. I had a little bit of difficulty removing the wire, the ground wire that's located right here. I had to use WD-40. I had to use an extractor screw. Finally was able to get it out with an extractor screw, the largest one I could find. Didn't really have to drill into it, but I was using a ratchet screwdriver on a extractor screw set. It doesn't give me enough force, and the ratchet actually worked better. Also, I was able to get these 12 millimeter bolts right here off using a breaker bar. So my ratchet did not have enough leverage or force to break these open. So I use a breaker bar and then I basically use a ratchet set to open it up. Now I don't know which one is the screw bolt to loosen the tension on the belt. I'm not sure if it's this one here located here. There's a bolt right here that I loosened and it kept turning and turning and turning, and I have no idea what that is. What is that bolt there? Does anybody know what this bolt is called? Or it's called a pivot bolt maybe, or a not a pivot bolt, a belt tensioning adjustment bolt. Then I loosened this one here, this bolt right there, and it just kept turning and turning, and I wasn't sure it was going to mess up anything, and I didn't want to go all the way because I may just drive this to the mechanic's garage, which is a few miles away. I can probably drive on a full battery since the alternator is not charging. So if anybody can help me out, how do I loosen the serpentine belt? Eventually I have to remove this pivot bolt here, and there's one underneath there, underneath the alternator, which is going to be a pain to get to. It's almost right next to the belt underneath, the bottom belt. If anybody can help me out, let me know. So, comment below. Thanks a lot, everybody. Peace and be healthy.